7 Steps of choosing an interior design consultant for your large building project. The interior design of a sizable structure holds significant sway over its ultimate prosperity. Its interior bears more significance than one might initially assume. It directly impacts ambience, efficiency, and the lasting impression your space leaves on guests or clients. When it's time to plan or revamp an interior, seeking assistance from a seasoned interior design expert can prove invaluable. It shapes the welfare of occupants, effectiveness, and the portrayal of your organization or brand. Collaborating with the appropriate interior design professional guarantees a seamless realization of your concept into a practical and visually striking environment. Here's a comprehensive 7-step guide to making the right choice. 1. Define your goals and requirements. Begin by outlining the essentials. Functionality. What specific needs should each space fulfill? Office areas, meeting rooms, reception, etc. Aesthetics. What style aligns with your brand? Modern, classic, industrial, or something unique? Sustainability. Do you prioritize eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient design principles? 2. Prioritize experience and specialization. Seek out consultants demonstrating proven expertise in large-scale projects relevant to your building's purpose. Evaluate their portfolio, specifically looking for design solutions tailored to similar spaces. 3. The ideal design process. During your initial consultations, inquire about their approach. Understanding their design process ensures it aligns with your collaboration preferences. Ask questions like, collaboration, how frequent will communication be, and what are their methods for incorporating your feedback? Timelines, can they realistically meet your project deadlines? Problem solving, how do they handle challenges or changes during the project? 4. Assess technical expertise. Large buildings often have complex requirements a seasoned consultant should possess. Space planning, the ability to optimize space utilization and create efficient flow patterns. Building codes, in-depth knowledge of local building regulations and safety standards. Material selection, understanding of durability, maintenance, and aesthetics of materials suitable for large-scale interiors. 5. The Meinhardt advantage. Meinhardt Pakistan stands apart as the ideal partner for your large building interior design. Comprehensive services, our integrated team of interior designers, architects, and engineers ensures seamless collaboration, saving you time and resources. Global reach, local knowledge, we combine world-class design standards with extensive experience in the Pakistani market. Client-centric focus, we prioritize your vision and feedback throughout the process, ensuring the final design truly reflects your goals. At Meinhardt Pakistan, we excel in transforming your interior design vision into reality. Our advantages include proven track record. We have a stellar reputation for exceptional interior design, successfully delivering a wide range of projects in Pakistan. Global expertise, local knowledge. We combine global design sensibilities with a deep understanding of local markets and regulations, ensuring your project is both stunning and practical. Holistic approach, we'll work with your engineers and architects from the project's outset, ensuring the interior seamlessly integrates with the building's structural and functional aspects. Client collaboration, we prioritize your input, fostering a sense of partnership throughout the design journey. 6. Budget and contracts. Clearly define your budget upfront, including both design fees and the costs of materials and execution. Ensure a detailed contract outlines all services, payment schedules, and project timelines. 7. Trust your instincts. Interior design is a collaborative journey. Choose a consultant with whom you feel a rapport and a genuine understanding of your vision. Transform your large building with Meinhardt Pakistan. Choosing the right interior design consultant is an important investment in the long-term success of your large building. Meinhardt Pakistan, with its proven experience, holistic approach, and client-first philosophy, is ready to guide you towards an interior that inspires and exceeds expectations. Contact us to embark on a journey of exceptional design for your large building project.